In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default font size of Outlook emails, reply and forwards. If your emails keep showing up too small or inconsistent, setting a default font, style, and size will save you time and keep everything looking professional. I'll walk you through both Classic Outlook for Windows and the new Outlook, including Outlook on the web. Let's start with Classic Outlook for Windows. In the top left corner, click File, then choose Options. In the Outlook Options window, select the Mail tab. Under the Compose Messages section, click Stationery and Fonts. This opens the Personal Stationery tab where you'll control how your messages look. To set the default for brand, New Emails, click Font under New Mail Messages. Pick the font style and size you want. Calibri at size 11 is a clean, readable default. Then click OK. Now do the same for replies and forwards. Click Font under Replying or Forwarding Messages. Choose the font settings you prefer and click OK. This lets you keep replies slightly different if you like. For example, using the same font but a different size to distinguish quoted threads. Click OK to close out of the remaining windows and apply your changes. Now for the new Outlook and Outlook on the web. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open settings. From there, select Mail, then Compose and Reply. In the Message Format section, choose your preferred font, size, and style. When you are happy with your selection, click Save to make it stick. A few quick tips to help you choose well. Aim for a size that's easy on the eyes. 11 or 12 is a good everyday choice, while 13 or 14 can improve readability if your recipients view email on smaller screens. Stick to widely available fonts, like Calibri, Arial, or Times New Roman, so your messages look consistent for everyone. In Classic Outlook, take advantage of the separate controls. You can keep new messages at one size and make replies slightly smaller to keep long threads tidy. In the new Outlook and on the web, the settings you choose in message format apply to your composing experience across new emails, replies, and forwards. Once you've set this up, Outlook will use your chosen font and size every time, so you can focus on what you are writing instead of fixing formatting. If you ever want to change the look again, just return to the same menus and adjust. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.